Good afternoon, dear children. We will start our EVS subject, new lesson, animal rearing. Before animal rearing, I teach lesson of introduction of animals. In that lesson, I told different types of animals. Which are the different types of animals? First one, domestic animals, wild animals, birds, insects, traveling animal, water animal, all it comes in a animals. That is the introduction of animals. And now we have to teach about the animal rearing. Rearing animals means which are the rearing animals? Rearing means the animals which lives in both on water and as well as on land. Both as well as some animals are water animals and some they live on land. The animals are called water animals, aquatic animals. Which are they? Water and land animals is such one is frog. Next one tortoise, crocodile. All these animals are lives in water and land also. And now animal rearing. Rearing means the animals which lives in a forest, which lives in a wild. It comes in wild animals and domestic animals. The animal which lives in forest and land or in our surroundings are called rearing animals. Okay. So there is a conversation between animals. Rearing means forest animal. There is a conversation between a forest animals. Have you celebrating? Do you celebrating your birthday, children? Do you celebrating your birthday? Yes, you are celebrating. You are calling. How you are celebrating your birthday? You are celebrating your birthday. How you are celebrating? You are calling to your friends, decorating house by using balloons, different color papers. Next one, happy birthday, labeling that there. You are cutting cake, some candles. You are wearing new dress on your birthday. Then your mother makes different dishes, sweet dishes. Next, in that way, you are enjoying the day. You are enjoying your birthday. Do you know? Yes, you are celebrating birthday. And the same way, the animals they are discussing. There is a small conversation between forest animals. Yes, there is a conversation between a forest animals. There is a birthday of a lion's daughter. Whose birthday was there? Lion's daughter birthday was there, and they want to celebrate her birthday. So they are discussing about that birthday party. So open your textbooks and page number 12, new lesson. Today we will start a new lesson, animal rearing. Are you open? Okay. In the first picture, they are given here different name, different animals. Which are the different animals on page number 2? Page number 12. Which are the different animals, children? Here, first one is there given here lion, elephant, deer. On tree there is a monkey. On tree there is a snake, fox, cat, cheetah, rat, rabbit, cow. The different animals. Different means rare animals means which animals they are live in a land, surroundings, us, and domestic animals. And next one is wild animals. The both combination of wild and domestic animals are called a rearing animals. So here are some different animals: cow, elephant, lion, deer, cheetah, rat, rabbit, cat, monkey, and snake. All the animals were gathered for a meeting. They were gathered for a discussion of their birthday party. So let's turn to look on it what they are telling. All the animals have assembled for a meeting. Okay, then lion said to their lion is a king of jungle. Do you know? Do you know lion is our national animal also? And so lion said, my daughter's birthday is next month. How do you think we should celebrate it? What lion said to them? remaining animals. Lion said to these all animals, what he is telling, what he is asking, my daughter's, means lion's daughter's birthday is in next month. So how do you think, should we celebrate it? How do we celebrate it? Lion is asking to remaining animals, her birthday is in next month. So I want to celebrate it, and how we have to celebrate her birthday. So deer said, what deer said? Oh king, there is a shortage of grass in the forest. There is no grass to eat. Then how can we celebrate a birthday? If animals birthday were there, they are eating cake. No, in the forest they doesn't get the cake there. They are eating only animals, means they are eating, yes, grass, fleshes of other animals. Next, some animals eat both plants and other animals also. Some eats only grass, some animals eat only flesh of other animals. Some animals eat both the plants and other animals also. So deer said, O king, there is a shortage of green grass. There is a no grass is in our surrounding, in our forest. There is a no grass. There is a no grass to eat. How can we celebrate a birthday if there is a no grass, if there is a no food to eat? Then how we can celebrate her birthday? Next on your page. Cow said, we have no problem. Our owner gives us enough grass. Cow are the domestic animals. So cow's owner gives them grass. If you have a cow in your houses, if you have a domestic animal like cow, dog, then you give this grass and some food to them. Yes, yes. So cow said, we have no any problem to join the birthday party. Why it said like that? Because its owner gives us enough grass to them to eat. Next one, rat is here. What rat is telling? We too don't have a problem. Though we are not looked after, we get grains in our place. Rats are almost in house. There are holes. There are some holes they make and they live in a hole. They live in houses. So rat is telling we too don't have any problem for food. We get food. We get grains in there some people's houses. Though we are not looked after, we get grains in our places. Next, lion said, there will be no problem for the animals that live in the village, but there is no food for animals in the forest. What shall we do? It's a big question to lion. Which one? There will be no problem for the animals who lives in a village. Some animals are lives in a village, town, in cities, villages side. That animals are a domestic animals, and then domestic and wild both. Some animals are lives in a domestic in some houses, and some are on the horse, camels, donkeys, and different animals. Next one, the lion said there will be no problem for the animal that live in the village. Which animals are lives in village, there is no problem for food because they get a plant and all, they eat the grass and grass. Okay, some are the domestic like cow, dog, they get grass from their owner, they give grass to them. Next one, the problem is main, but there is no food for the animal in the forest. There is no food, there is no grass in a forest animals. So, what shall we do? Now, we have to find out any more idea. What that idea, what we have to do in the next? Some villages animals, forest, domestic animals, they can get the grass. But which animals are lives in a forest that doesn't get the grass in the forest? Snake. Here is a snake, and what snake told? True, we stay both in forest and town, so we have no problem for food. Some snakes are in town and village also, we can find them snake, and some snakes are lives in a forest. So snake are telling कि we also don't have any problem for food. We have no problem for food because we live in a both sided. At one times we live in a town village and other time we live in the forest. So we also don't have any problem for food. Next one, monkey. Monkey said, it is time for the rain. Oh king of the forest, the grass will be grow very well. It's now also it's rainy days. So monkey is telling, now it's a times for a rain. Then we have to grow some crop. We have to grow some crops or some grains. There will be grass grow very well. In the rainy season, grass will be grow very well. Monkey given idea. Then next one, cheetah said, bisons, cheetah. Yes, if it rains, deer and bisons will get good food. In a if it is rains, deer and bisons will get good food. Deer is a deer eats only plant. Deer and bisons only eats plant and plant product. It doesn't eat flesh of other animals. So deer and bisons need what they need. Yes, deer and bisons need say grass. So if it rains, then deer and bisons get a good grass to eat. Next one, elephant. What elephant says? Oh, you are feeling very happy. Elephant says, oh, you are feeling very happy. It is good for you if they grow fat, isn't it? Oh, you are feeling very happy. It is good for you if they grow fat, isn't it? Elephant said, yes, it is very good thing. Grass will be grow, the bisons and deer will eat them and they will be fat. Next, cat. Cat what is giving opinion. See, meow, lion is the king for all of us. The birthday of the king's daughter should be celebrated on a grand scale. I can drink milk from my boss house. So listen here. Meow says the cat. Cat says meow meow. Do you know? Yes, it makes a noise. Then lion is a king of jungle. And the birthday of the lion king's daughter should be celebrated on a grand scale. Lion is a king of jungle. Lion is a king of forest. So her daughter birthday should be, we have to celebrate it in a grand scale. It's a big celebration of birthday of lion's daughter. So that for the birthday celebration, I can bring the milk from my boss house, from my owner's house. I will what cat eats. Cat loves to eat a milk. Then rabbit says, yes, I will decorate the forest. You are also celebrating your birthday with the decoration I told before teaching that lesson how you are celebrating your birthday. Yes, in the same way they are also rabbit thinking about the celebration of birthday, decorating of the forest. Yes, rabbit says, yes, I will decorate the forest. Monkey, what monkey said? I will bring fruits for the celebration. Monkey likes to eat banana. So monkey what he told? I will bring some fruits for the decoration. And rabbit and monkey, they will to make some decoration for birthday. They will decorate the forest by using fruits. Next, see now what lion told. Lion says, all of you please listen. All of you please listen. Let us not celebrate the birthday of my daughter this year. Let it rain, let the grass grow, let everybody eat well. Next year let us celebrate it in the grand scale. Let's end the meeting. So, why lion think that? Lion what is telling here? All of you please listen. You also children listen carefully. Let us not celebrate the birthday this year. Lion said, we will not celebrate the birthday of my daughters. Means lion's daughter birthday they are not celebrating on this year. Why? Because there were a shortage of grass. Some animals which they are living in a villages town, they will get the food. Means cow get grass from his owner, cat get milk, monkey eats fruits from town and villages. Some snakes and rat also get the insects and grass. Rat also get grains from them houses. Okay. In that way, but in forest, which animals has lives in forest? They doesn't get a grass to eat, like a bisons, deer. They doesn't get grass to eat. If you are celebrating birthday, there should be some grass they need for food. So that lion decided we are not celebrating my daughter's birthday this year. We will celebrate it on next year. Why? Because now it's a rainy days. It will rain, then grass will grow fastly, then some animals they will eat. Let everybody eat well. Next year, let us celebrate in a grand scale. On next year, we will celebrate her birthday in on grand scale. Okay, then let's end the meeting. In that way, their discussion were over finished and they decided to celebrate the birthday of lion's daughter is on next year. In that way, there is a small story we have finished. Try to read this lesson at in your home. Keep your finger. It's a really very interesting lesson. So, which animal, what they are bringing, how they are telling about their own food, it's all over in that way. So, we have finished our this first lesson, second lesson animal rearing. We will continue it on next time. The here on page 15, 16 they are given here. We have to write some names of animals. I will teach it on next time. Thank you.